Hey there, frustrated with your TV acting up? You're in the right place. If you're wondering how to fix Onn TV issues and get back to enjoying your favorite shows, I've got you covered. Onn TVs are reliable and affordable, but like all electronics, they can encounter a few hiccups. In this guide, we'll run through some easy troubleshooting steps to help you fix common issues with your Onn TV. Let's dive in and get you back to your viewing comfort zone. Step 1. Check the power source. Let's start with the basics. Often, the simplest fix is the most effective one. First, ensure that your TV is properly plugged into a working power outlet. Check both ends of the power cable to make sure they are securely connected. If your TV still doesn't power on, try using another device in the same outlet to rule out a problem with the outlet itself. If the outlet works, but your TV doesn't, try using a different power cord if you have one available. Step 2. Perform a soft reset. A soft reset can resolve many minor software glitches. To perform a soft reset on your Onn TV, simply unplug the power cable from the back of the TV. Wait for about 60 seconds before plugging it back in. After reconnecting the power, turn the TV on using your remote or the power button on the TV itself. This can help to clear temporary bugs affecting your TV's performance without erasing any saved data or settings. Step 3. Check for input issues. If your Onn TV isn't displaying anything or is showing a no signal message, you might be dealing with an input issue. Ensure that all external devices like your cable box, streaming device, or gaming console are properly connected to the correct HDMI ports. Cycle through the input options using the input or source button on your remote control to select the correct one. Verify that the external device is powered on and functioning correctly. Switching HDMI cables can also help rule out a faulty cable issue. Step 4. Update the firmware. Outdated firmware can cause performance issues. To update your Onn TV's firmware, press the home button on your remote and navigate to the settings menu. From there, go to System and select Check for Updates. If an update is available, download and install it, following the prompts on the screen. This not only fixes bugs, but can also enhance the overall performance of your TV. Ensure your TV is connected to the internet to complete this step effectively. Step 5. Factory reset as a last resort. If you've tried all the previous steps and your TV is still not functioning properly, you may need to perform a factory reset. Keep in mind that this will erase all personalized settings and return the TV to its original factory settings. To do this, navigate to the Settings menu, select System, then Advanced System Settings, and finally, Factory Reset. Confirm that you want to proceed with the reset and follow any additional prompts. This step should only be used as a last resort. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can tackle some of the most common issues and learn how to fix Onn TV problems right at home. Remember, simple checks can save you time and frustration. Always start with the basics and gradually work through these steps. If problems persist, consulting a professional or reaching out to Onn customer support might be your next best step. Maintaining your TV's health can extend its lifespan and improve your viewing experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy viewing.